So you are recording your videos like this, the quality is poor, but after watching this video, it will be like. What's up guys, today's video is on how you can improve the quality of the videos that your phone takes. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first step what I have to do is just go to the Play Store and search for Open Camera. So this is a third party app, but this app allows you to take the quality videos and quality photos in your phone. The image processing and the optimization is better than the default apps. So after installing, you just have to go to the settings and set the video FPS and quality too. If your phone supports 4K videos, you can take 4K resolution videos in this app. So as you can see, my secondary phone just supports 1080p 60 fps and 4K doesn't support in this phone. But in the Open Camera, I have the option to record 4K as you can see over there. So now the footage is recording by my phone's default app. So I don't understand why the frame isn't like covering all the place. Like if the Open Camera is the case, it will look like this. So as you can see, there's a huge difference between your Open Camera and the default camera app. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. I'll meet you in the next one.